Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 652 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today is from Outlook Money. Imagine dedicating your career to the nation's financial and regulatory stability, knowing that your post-retirement life is secure and dignified. That's the assurance being given to employees of key financial institutions. The government has announced a significant revision to pensions and family pensions for employees of NABARD, PSU General Insurers, and the Reserve Bank of India. This move not only enhances the retirement benefits for these individuals, but also sends a strong message about the value of long-term service in the financial sector. While this is a direct benefit for public sector employees, its ripple effects are felt across the entire insurance and retirement planning landscape. For the insurance industry, this government action acts as a powerful endorsement of the importance of robust retirement planning. It shines a spotlight on the need for financial security in one's golden years, creating a natural conversation starter for private insurers. This is a prime opportunity to promote complementary products such as annuities, deferred pension plans, and whole life insurance policies that can supplement government benefits. The move reinforces the fundamental value proposition of the insurance sector, being a long-term partner in financial security, from a person's first policy to their retirement and beyond. Moving on to our next story, from the Indian Express. Punjab's Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana is a groundbreaking initiative providing free annual medical cover of up to Rs 5 lakh per family in the state, ensuring cashless treatment at empaneled hospitals. For the insurance industry, this creates one of the country's largest health insurance risk pools, positioning insurers as critical operational partners in managing the vast claims and hospital networks required. Strategically, the data generated from covering millions of citizens offers invaluable insights into regional health patterns, which can refine underwriting and inform the design of tailored commercial products. Furthermore, the scheme introduces a massive population to the tangible benefits of cashless insurance, building a culture of health protection and cultivating a future pipeline of customers who understand its value, thereby deepening the industry's penetration. Moving on to our next story from Hindustan, a major policy shift that's reshaping health insurance offerings. The insurance regulatory body has directed all insurance companies to include Ayush treatments, encompassing Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and homeopathy in their health policies. This inclusion extends to outpatient department (OPD) expenses, covering doctors' fees and medicines, thereby bringing alternative medicine firmly into the mainstream insurance fold and broadening coverage. This directive forces a paradigm shift from a purely sickness and hospitalization model to a more holistic wellness and prevention approach. For insurers, this opens up a massive untapped market of consumers who prefer traditional medicine driving product innovation. While presenting new challenges in underwriting and claims management, it is a strategic opportunity to differentiate, attract a new customer base, and build deeper, wellness-focused relationships with policyholders. Our final story today, from the week. ICICI Lombard has launched comprehensive road safety initiatives, highlighting a strategic shift from claim settlement to incident prevention. The company is actively working to create safer roads, moving beyond its traditional role as a financial backstop to a more proactive guardian of customer well-being on the road. This proactive approach is a modern risk management strategy aimed at reducing the frequency and severity of motor insurance claims, thereby positively impacting profitability. Beyond the balance sheet, such initiatives build significant brand equity and trust, positioning the insurer as a genuine partner in safety. These programs also generate valuable data on driving behavior, which can be leveraged to create more personalized products such as usage-based insurance, paving the way for a smarter, more engaged insurance ecosystem. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.